You know what time it is, good gang? It's time to get sauced up with another Chainsaw Man reaction. Last time we got introduced to Power, so it seems like they're going to be kind of road dogs at the moment. No pun intended. And she just came out with a hammer that came out of her wrist, like just out of blood, which was kind of crazy. So this is going to be interesting to see how this develops. Now, if you guys want to continue watching this with me week to week, make sure you guys smack the subscribe button. Smack the like button as well. It is currently 2 a.m. Wednesday morning for me here in Australia as this airs. So, yeah. Other than that, man, are you guys ready to go? And if you guys want to catch this early and uncut, link in the description box. So that's Atron, K-Tron, Blatron, which is Patreon. Let's get this thing popping, bro. Quality's so good. Jesus Christ. Nah. She trying to blame him. Look, it was he told me to do this. Yo, she chill though. She said, hey, I think you should quiet down. I wonder how strong she is, bro. He's like them boobies. Oh, one of them killed a cat. I like that because he has obviously the dog chainsaw demon. You know what I'm saying? This is gonna be interesting. What? He's like, hey, how about you rub my titties? You help me get my cat back. He's like, he's like, hold on, bruh. I'm about to fuck this devil up. I'm trying to get me some biddies. Okay, so she's like kind of like on house arrest, low-key. She has to be checked in and checked out like a library book. He's so locked in. I like so she's assuming that he's talking about like metaphorically, you know what I'm saying? The spiritual, like, oh, well, he's within me. Not the technical. He's like, I'm not trying to get her upset. Based on her eyes, she looks like she might be a a devil / human. So he doesn't think his motivation is actually a motivation. Interesting. But people think that in real life too. Like if it's something that they're, if it's not something that aligns with them, they don't think the motivation is good enough. You know what I'm saying? They're like, oh well, all you want is this. It's like, but that's motivation for that person. You know what I'm saying? Uh oh. Set up. Ooh. Yep. Uh-oh. I did say that. Oh, chill. Oh, okay. Bat. Like a vampire bat? Oh, chill. Ha. Have food you shouldn't speak. Oh, chill. Right, like, but he tastes like a devil. Huh? He was like, "Well, you tricked me with the titties? This is a titty trick?" Okay, so she did have a cat. Oh, chill. Yo, that's crazy. Rip the cow's head off, bro. So she was walking around butt ass naked? Oh, chill. Ooh. Oh, chill. Yo. A pregnant woman for dessert? Not giving my tits back. Facts. Woo! Whoa! And then caught me a feel, bruh. Oh, he on right now. Sheesh. Oh, this is cold. Oh my god. Animation is beautiful. Sheesh. Oh, chill. Sheesh. Ha! That dude jumped out. Woo! You think I care about that? Oh! That was sick. There was his hand. I've been about as patient as possible. Okay, this looks crazy. Look at that. He drops him. He's ooh. Look at the sauce, the chain sauce. Oh no, bruh. Oh, pulling the Levi on that ass. Split the wig, bro. Animation quality is so high, bro. Oh my god. Ooh. Sauce. Bro, this shit is insane, bro. Like, this is insane, bro. Quality is so damn high. So his motivation right now is to get he's trying to get them ditties, right? That's his motivation at the moment. I need to get a feel. I need to cop that feel. As stupid as that sounds, right? He's a teenager that is horny out of his mind, right? So he's like, this is what I want to do. You know what I'm saying? Like, oh man, like, so as ridiculous as that sounds, it actually makes sense. You know what I'm saying? Like, teenage boys, that is a hormonal thing that is so hard to control. So him being motivated by that at the moment actually makes a lot of sense. The other side of this, though, Power's story, right? Like, she was like, I'm going to do whatever it takes to get my cat back. Even tricking this motherfucker into getting eaten so I can get my cat back. It was interesting. And he didn't even feel upset about it. He just understood, like, damn, like, I know, like, I know what you must have felt like. You know what I'm saying? Feeling like you're never going to see this cat again. I'm going to do whatever it takes. My man was talking about how him and his dog, like, he's like, I couldn't find him. I thought a devil may have gotten him or somebody may have killed him. And I got home and I see him crying by himself. Like, it's one of those things that you can't, like, once you've had, I guess, a pet, there's a different bond that you have with that pet that I think people will go above and beyond to protect, you know? So it's just really interesting that was the storyline of this episode. Really cool. And definitely a bonding moment, I think, for them in the future of something that they can align with each other. But let me know you guys' thoughts on this episode, bro. This shit was cold. Animation quality is unreal. And I really like the story quite a bit, so it's really dope. The biggest question I have now is this organization that he's working for. There's these 4 guys that are running it, supposedly. So I'm like, what does that mean? Who are they? You know? And then they said that the U.S. are utilizing devils as weapons. So what does this mean in the grand scheme of the world that they're building? Other than that, man, let me know your guys' thoughts. If you guys want to catch this uncut, unedited, link in the description box. So that's Zatron, Blatron. And again, if you guys want to tune in next week with your boy, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. Other than that, I will catch you guys in the next one. Geek. We out this thing.